Well, 6 News is back to give you the legal edge. In Michigan, trying to sue a government is a lot different than suing a private citizen. Local attorney Bryan Waldman is here for you tonight with a breakdown of why you can't just sue a government agency and the exceptions to the rule.
Personal injury claims against government entities, including public schools, are much more difficult than claims against private companies, private schools, and ordinary citizens. In most personal injury cases, the injured person has to prove that the person they're suing or bringing the claim against acted negligently, so didn't behave the way a reasonably person would in the same or similar circumstances. Now, when there's a government entity involved, a lot of things make it tougher. First of all, there's a law in Michigan that calls for what's called governmental immunity in negligence cases, meaning you can't bring a negligence case against the government unless your case fits into some very narrow exceptions, including negligent operation of a motor vehicle or defective roadways or public buildings. And then beyond that, if your case is against the state of Michigan, you don't have the right to a jury. Your case is heard in front of a single judge, what's called a court of claims judge. Now, there can be claims brought against government employees for what's called gross negligence, but that's a higher standard. It's much tougher than proving that that person didn't act the way a reasonably person did. You have to prove that they acted grossly negligent, meaning that they acted so reckless that they demonstrate an indifference or lack of concern as to whether or not an injury would result due to their conduct. So claims are much tougher in Michigan against all government entities, including public schools.